Today we are doing
Yeah, ma'am.
Hari Om,
I
my
just
dear.
came back from the gym. I was testing out the new equipment from the
What
condo.
equipment? What
The
what
gym just like
equipment?
got new equipment a few days ago, so I just went to the gym to test it out and came back.
So what is it?
Oh, like treadmill, the thing which you hold and pull up, the pulling thing, weights, everything they changed. Even the cycling machine.
You like going to the gym?
No, I don't usually go. Like sometimes when I don't like have anything to do, I'll go. But since there were new equipment, I just meant to go check it out and try all of them. I tried and came back.
And did you do it under anybody's supervision?
I can't hear you much.
Did you do under anybody's supervision?
Oh no, like there were a couple of people at the gym. No, but I'm 12 years old, so I'm allowed to go by myself. Can I go close the doors? My mom's
Okay.
class. Yes, hello.
Okay. Let's start. So today we are practicing fourth pada, starting or ending anything, but it will be only fourth pada. Okay. Let's start. Tattvadarshiभिः
तत्त्वदर्शिभिः अविनाशितु तद्विद्धि येन सर्वमिदं ततं विनाशमव्ययत्
कल्पते
न सतो विद्यते भावः न भावो विद्यते सतः उभय
कश्चित् कर्तुम्
न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति अन्तवन्त इमे देहाः नित्यस्
भारत.
10, 14 or 18.
Start one by one.
10 is प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः
14
14
is
संस्थितिक्षस्व भारत यौ हि न व्यथयन्ति एते पुरुषं पुरुषश्रभ सम
another.
One more one is तस्माद्युध्यस्व भारत ययेनौ वेति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतं
Parantapa.
गुडाकेशः परन्दप नयोच्च इति गोविन्दम्
One more Parantapa.
परन्दप अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्ममहौ सङ्ख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन
Dantam.
विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः
One more.
विषीदन्तमिदं वचः अशोच श्रीभगवान् उवाच
Ah,
अशोचानन्वशोचस्वं
न हन्यते.
न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे
One more.
वेदापि one more is
न हन्यते. न हन्यते.
नायं हन्ति न हन्यते न जायते no, I'm thinking of the 20th one to start after न हन्यते but I just न हन्यते न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो
मारुतः.
न शोषयति मारुतः अच्छेद्योऽयमदाह्योऽयम् अक्लेद्यो शोष
सनातनः.
सनातनः अव्यक्तोऽयमचिन्त्योऽयम् अविकार्योऽयमुच्यते तस्मादेवं विदित्वैनं
नवानि.
नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा
नवानि.
नवानि देहि नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापः
हन्तिकम्.
हन्तिकं वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि
मधुसूदनः.
मधुसूदनः श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनारजुष्टं
चार्हा.
पूजार्हावरिसूदन गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो
प्रदिग्धान्.
रुधिरप्रदिग्धान् न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जये
प्रपन्नम्.
त्वां प्रपन्नं न हि प्रपश्यामि मम
Prapasham. He is Ditva.
प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणां
Bhuvaha.
बभूवः तमुवाच हृषीकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये
Panditaha.
पण्डिताः न त्वेवाहं जातु नासं न
Atah param.
ततः परं देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारे यौवन
Yati.
मुह्यति मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्णसुखदुःखताः आगमापायिनो
We
नित्याः
did. We did all. We did all the verses actually. Actually, we did all the verses. And you were so fast. You were picking them all. Excellent. So now we'll just do some general thing.
That's
Good.
difficult.
This
Like
was a difficult. Fourth pada ending was the most difficult one. Okay, let's see if we can get third pada. But third pada I had scheduled for tomorrow, so I didn't want to touch it today. Tomorrow we are doing third pada, and day after tomorrow it will be mix. Anything, anyhow.
For
That
me,
would be our final.
I have this thing. The hard ones I do easily. The easy ones I always like make silly careless mistakes. For me,
Oh, no, we don't want any mistake. Your competition is on Sunday or on Saturday?
I'm not sure. I'll check with my mom and she'll message.
Correct. Let's just do now some general. Kaunteya,
मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्णसुखदुःखताः आगम
Bhavishyamaha,
I didn't hear.
Bhavishyamaha,
भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परं देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारे यौवनञ्जरा तथा
Ime Deha,
अन्तवन्त इमे देहाः नित्यस्योक्ता शरीरिणः
everything is perfect, my dear. So nice. Love you. Excellent. You have to just keep up. Not a silly mistake is accepted. Okay. So tomorrow let us do third pada. Day after tomorrow we'll mix everything, anything and anyhow. That would be our final. Okay.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Saturday, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Not sure. I'll ask my mom to text you after.
Okay. Hari Om, darling. Bless you. All the best. See you tomorrow.
Hari Om, thank you.
My pleasure.